What is the dark side of copywriting? Hey, what's up guys? Carlo here again. Today we're gonna see the dark part, the dark side trap you can fall in the copywriting world, in the marketing world. Because I remember I was obsessed with marketing. Obsessed. I just love it so much. Since I was a little kid, I was always seeing infomercials everywhere. I memorized every single information I could see in the TV, and I was all day repeating and repeating and repeating. I still remember the day that when I learned how to read, and I was in the car looking at every sign, at every billboard, just reading and reading and reading. So I was always with that. But one day when I grew up, I was studying marketing with my mentor, my neuromarketing mentor, was this guy out of nowhere just taught us this whole different side about marketing, about emotions, about psychology, about human behavior, that I just got obsessed with it, but suddenly enough found out the dark side. This crept down in my head for years. It kept me almost paralyzed because I was thinking, I don't want to do harm in the world. I don't want to be the same as anyone else. I don't want to just sell stuff for no reason at all, right? Just to buy and be a capitalist, right? I don't want to be that kind of force. So it kind of took me apart for a while. But what I discovered was all the psychology, all the difference between manipulation and persuasion. Because basically, when you're persuading people, you're taking them to a different state, to a different mind state, where they have to think like this is the only answer ever, right? You need to get one problem agitated so much that they feel like they are in the brinks of a cliff, right? You need to take your client into a cliff, and when he's about to fall down with this existential crisis, this emotion that he's gonna fearful emotion, right? You need to save him with your product. So I kind of saw it like that for a long time, and you see it everywhere, right? Buy here now, or people scamming out, because you could sell anything with a good copy, with a good marketing strategy. You could sell anything, any empty course, any empty product. But obviously, you're gonna fall into the trap and you're gonna have an empty business at the end, because people are gonna buy from you only once before they realize it's just an illusion. So a lot of people fall into this trap, into this psychological trap, where you're telling people your life can't go on if you don't have this. You're taking a problem, you're making it huge. I even teach this in the previous videos. You're making the problem huge. But there's some people that make certain problems huge and then they sell you the magic pill, right? We have all seen it everywhere, and copywriting is one of the most powerful skills you can have, and with great power comes great responsibility, right? So basically, you're trying to let people know that their life can't go on without this product. You want them to buy, and you're selling them this dream, like your life is gonna be so much better with this product. And you're telling a lot of words that are persuasive, but you're taking them out of context, right? Make money online, make this quick, easy, fast. They're selling courses, they're selling products to everyone using all these techniques for the dark side. You're trying to manipulate people in a way that they buy to you. Whatever you have, they're gonna buy it. So the dark side of copywriting is manipulation. It's just telling them this is the only thing you need in your life right now, buy it right now. So it comes hand in hand, obviously, with marketing. It comes hand in hand with what you want in life. If you want to just trick people out, or if you want to actually contribute and help, because probably you're not solving any real problem, or you are, but you're promising a magic pill that is going to be quick, easy, fast. But you don't really care about solving a problem, about helping others. So it's a thing of a mindset. We have all seen all these scammy ads everywhere, scammy emails. And what do they use? Obviously copywriting, because they know exactly what works. They know exactly what triggers emotions in your mind, and they know that emotions sell way more than thoughts, right? That rational thoughts. They know all that. They know all the psychology, all the influence. If you read the book Influence by Robert Cialdini, you suddenly realize all the tactics, all the techniques you can use to manipulate masses, because there's a lot of people that dedicated their lives into human behaviors. Is such an awesome thing, really interesting. Is one of the topics that are most bring more passion into my life, human behavior. But at the end, you're having a huge power to control people out, to tell them anything. Because words, you could tell anything about any product. Words, the paper handles as much, no, as much as you put in the paper. You could write anything about anything. You say that expression that you could sell ice to the Eskimos. That's the same thing, but with copywriting. So you're there using flashy words with red colors, with some weird images in order to get your attention and sell you, but only once. It's an empty business. It's a empty mindset that is not gonna get you anywhere. That's the dark side of copywriting. You're actually manipulating people out. You're telling them this is the only solution to your problem. If you don't do this, your life is gonna suck, right? You're giving them the promised land just one click away, and it goes with all this capitalism mentality where your life, it's only gonna be fulfilled with money, with more stuff, having more, because you always want to sell more and more. And this also falls a lot with those like courses for newbies, right? For people that doesn't know anything and they're looking for some knowledge. So be aware, obviously, of all these persuasion tactics that I've teach in this channel, and don't use them. Don't fall in the dark side trap, because you're not gonna get anywhere at the end. People are not gonna be loyal to you. You're gonna get one sell, the sell once. So avoid falling into the dark side trap. And tomorrow we're gonna see which is the light side. How can you apply the light side? So you have to decide now if you wanna stay in the dark side and do copywriting to manipulate people, or you wanna go to the other side. So tomorrow we're gonna see the other side, so you decide and you have a perspective of both sides and learn what I think about it. Because also you can't let this keep you away from the things that you love. If you love marketing, if you love copywriting, you love selling, you don't have to feel bad about it. Because a lot of people also tell you like, this is bad, this is the dark side, because you see it everywhere. They're scamming people out. But there's a light. So see you tomorrow with the other side. Hope you enjoy it. What do you think is the dark side, and what do you think about it, about the power of copywriting? Let me know in the comments down below. I reply to everyone. See you in the next one. Peace.